Okay, snowflake shoesy. My daughter gave the name Snowflake because it's all white, and this is 1998 GSXR 750. I bought it, it was quite cheap. There is some issues with it. If you follow me on Instagram, you have seen them already. Not sure when this is coming out. But the reason I bought this is because I wanted some kind of sports bike for the track, and this was the cheapest I found that worked somehow. But there was some issues. It was not loading the power to the battery. I figured that out already. I made test run before I bought it, and it breathed quite heavily. I don't know why. I haven't figured it out yet, but I have driven this now a few times but the weather has been pretty cold, but the engine has been on the operating temp. I don't know why, but it hasn't breathed anymore so heavily. I changed it. Oils has been changed, and that's pretty much it what I have done it now. I took off the rear tire because, well, it looks at least done. And I will change the bearings at the same time. Yeah, it's not that pretty, but I think it will suit the purpose of it, which is just basically the track driving. There is power commander under the cowl, and I think, or I'm not sure if the exhaust has been changed, but we will get that to later. It's been driven 62,000 kilometers. Well, hell yeah. I thought I recorded, but I didn't. Next thing is to put wheel bearings on. I just got them from the post and straight away installing it. I already hammered that down a bit, but now I have a small problem because new bearing has way too smaller edge over here, and my biggest is this socket. I think was good with this one, but now it will drop straight to the bearing, so I can't hit it with this one. So I'm thinking about making some kind of jig, or then I just hit it in with the old bearing. Not sure yet. Maybe I try to do it this way first. I will hit my fingers for sure. And then the old one is there also. Nope, this was not a good idea. Yeah, I could use the old sealer, but I don't have it because I broke it. God damn it! New bearing with this. Old one is out. Yeah. Okay, so I got it. I think it is deep enough now. I use this so that I put it on the outer edge and and just gently tap it in, avoiding hitting the center. But now I can't remember if there was a lip, because it's not totally in yet. Maybe I have to measure the seal height and this one. Yep. So the seal is 7 millimeters, and this is bit more, so I think it is deep enough. I will put some grease here too. Again, I don't know if I need to, but I will, because I have always done this with the bearings. Now I'm using the old bearing. And hope not hitting my fingers. Yeah, I think it is. I think it is all the way in. Next thing is this axle tube that goes in the rim. Again, not sure, but because why not? And next thing is the bearing, I think. Really? No, I thought so. I think I have to put some kind of tool for the bearings, because this is always a bit sketchy. So next thing is to balance the wheel. I did my bandit tire with the gear on, but someone told me that that's not a good idea. So I just might take that off, because it's wiggling a bit. So the tire is on now, and I forgot to take stickers off. I don't want. I take these off because I don't want anything to disrupt the balance of the tire. I will also take all the dirt off the tire, because my garage is very dirty. So as you can see, it's already all right. I have removed the old weights, so now we are just watching which is the heaviest point of the tire. I think it's somewhere over there. Okay, let's see what kind of weight do we need. But I will take a small piece of this weight and tape it on the rim so that I can check if it's even near. But if this is the heavy side, so should I put it over here? Oh, too small tape. Come on. Come on. Is it somewhere over here? I hope this holds. Last time it did. Let's see. Was it too much? Not sure. No, it's not enough. I can tell already it's not enough. Yep. So we will take another one, same size, and put it on the other side. So I will speed up a little bit. Enjoy the music. So I think I got it quite good now. I had to put quite a lot of weights both sides of the rim, but I hope it's okay. Next thing, I will put the tire back to the bike and see if the rain has stopped so that I can go and test drive it. As you can see, it starts to move a bit. Actually quite a bit. It didn't do this a while ago. What the shit? Do I have to add more? No, let's throw it in and see what happens. Righty then. I had to change this 12mm nut because there was no edges anymore. This is not the original one, but I think it will go just fine. So I think the chain is too long, but I'm not going to do anything about it right now. That is something that I will address at winter, maybe. Okay, so how the fuck are we going to get this in here? Like that. Yes, and then I should be able to get the chain. Sticky chain. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Yep. That. Where is my brake pads? I think I have to lower myself. Yeah. Come on. It's not ever this hard with the bandit. But well, the bandit is the bandit. Okay. Why does this not want to go? Oh fuck, has someone pressed the brake? No, I don't think so. It's just not. Come on. I just don't want to take the caliper off, as I never do. Why there is not? Okay. Huh. Thank you. Thank you. Now we should be able to lift it. Why it is so tight? Okie dokie. So there is this markings over here, but seems that they are gone from the other side, so I will try to measure the distance in here and see if that matches. This is bit 3442. It's the same. Avesomenes. Now we just tie these up. And then we will put there is a bit more. I think it's okay. Okay, and next thing is to torque this axle nut to 100 Newton meters. Yep. Whew. Does it spin? Yes, it does. Great success! Now I have to check if there is, the rain has stopped, so I could go and test drive.